Hello, I'm Jere Shawver, and thanks for joining me today for this recap of the September 2025 Private Company Council meeting that was held September 25 and 26 in Norwalk, Connecticut. We began our time together with our annual liaison meeting with the AICPA's Technical Issues Committee and discussed mutual areas of interest, including the following: lease accounting simplifications, the interest method and determining the effective interest rate, debt modifications and extinguishments, subjective acceleration clauses, and embedded derivatives. On lease accounting simplifications, we discussed the recent leases working group meeting, which is comprised of both private company council participants as well as TIC participants. They supported researching several areas from a lessee perspective: an optional single lease accounting model, embedded leases, and lease modifications. During our meetings, the PCC also briefly discussed other areas such as low value or low dollar leases, weighted average lease disclosures, and related party lease disclosures. The leases working group will meet shortly to discuss next steps for further outreach with private company stakeholders on these matters. A second topic we discussed, subjective acceleration clauses, led to a robust discussion based on the research the FASB staff had done related to private company debt arrangements that included such clauses. The PCC is going to continue to explore this issue in future meetings. And finally, as a part of the agenda prioritization process, we discussed the interest method and determining the effective interest rate, a topic that is currently required by Topic 835. We concluded that further research specifically on interest is not warranted, but that we should more broadly focus on debt modifications as a whole. Further in our meeting, the FASB staff updated the PCC on the status of the FASB's Agenda Prioritization Research Project, and we provided feedback to the board on areas for future standard setting related to private companies in connection with this research project. In addition, the Private Company Council was also briefed, and we provided feedback to the board on several other FASB projects: accounting for debt exchanges, accounting for and disclosures of intangibles, financial key performance indicators for business entities. We are holding several liaison meetings with stakeholders in the fourth quarter, with private company stakeholder groups, including users, practitioners, and preparers, and look forward to their feedback as it informs our future standard setting priorities. The next meeting of the Private Company Council will be held in December in Norwalk, and we look forward to you participating.